Let's convert this chair into this. Let's start by removing legs from the chair. Then we will remove all the materials and fabrics of the chair. The springs were in a quite good shape, so I decided to leave them on a chair. With the angle grinder I will remove old paint. I'm using both black to give this leg a new look, but unfortunately my girlfriend didn't like that color, so later I changed it into black. After we finish the legs, it's time to add new sponges to the chair. First we will start with the seating sponge and the seating fabric. Glue it down and add weight onto it. Now we are ready to staple the fabric onto the frame of the chair. When the seating part is finished, we will staple the sponge onto the back of the chair. Then we need to add a foam. When the foam is stapled, the same process as in the seating part. Staple the fabric. Attach the legs and the chair is finished. If you want to see lots of my projects, follow me on Instagram.